Welcome back to CNC Trading video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the beginner. So here is some mechanical part of the machine's flange. See, here is a bigger circle diameter 100 millimeter and shaft hole 25 millimeter. Okay, and here is 14 millimeter and middle circle 70 millimeter. Okay, and the whole bolt hole here is M10 and 8 number of pattern. Okay, let's try to make this. Here is a thickness, here is a flange thickness is shaft hole thickness 30 millimeter and here on 15 millimeter. Okay, and the smaller is 10 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First choose new interface. See, here is new interface and first I choose front plane and sketch. Okay, our now I choose the circle, center of circle. I need 4 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here is 4 circle. Okay, let's define. First, here outer diameter 100 millimeter. And here 70 millimeter. Okay, here is 70 millimeter. See, and also this 40 millimeter. And here 25 millimeter. Okay, now see, here is the first option feature. Yes, 3D option here, very important for 3D feature. And here extrude boss base, click this. See, first click outer edge. So here thickness is 15 millimeter. Sorry, okay, 15 millimeter. And here is blind. So first click this here, and here is many type of options. So click mid plane. Okay, here is mid plane. And okay, see, now I choose again extrude boss, and here part 2, click this option and go downward, click option sketch. So click this second one. At the same, here is click and mid plane selection. Okay, and thickness 10 millimeter. Okay, and here also, oh sorry, Here is 10 millimeter and mid plane selection. Okay, and the last one, again click extrude boss, and here same also click this last one, and here is 30 millimeter, and direction is mid plane. Okay, here is flange is ready, and due to 8 number of pattern hole, see. Okay, first left mouse left click is this space, and here sketch. So here is the option line. I need to center line and start from origin to vertical distance. Okay, make sure this line must is vertical. Okay, now it's vertical. Now I choose again center line, sorry, circle, and start from origin. Make sure this circle must is construction geometry. Now it's construction, let's define. Here outer diameter, see, radius 42.5 millimeter. Oh, sorry, radius 42.5 millimeter, this means diameter is double of the circle. 42.5 millimeter into 2. Okay, now I choose again center of circle. Okay, and start from this point, circle, whole diameter m10. Okay, now I cut this hole. First click feature, and here is option extrude boss, sorry, extrude cut. See, here is a show is extra is first, here is a blind option, click this up to next. See, up to next. Okay, see, here is a hole created. Now I need to pattern. So first click this hole, click feature option. So here is linear pattern. So first click option, here is circular pattern. Okay, here type 8 number of pattern, 8, and click this circle. See, 8 number of hole is created. Okay, see, our design is completely ready. So if you want, you can make it color. Okay, first click here appearance. So different type of color here. So click appearance option, here is metal. Okay, metal I need here is okay, copper. Okay, brush, so it's color. Give the color of your shoes. See, okay. So thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel.